Make a great choice today with the 2015 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, fog lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.